Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn ChatGPT API integration in the Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to create the directory, then go to that directory. Now we have to go with our create a virtual environment. So here we have the virtual environment created, but it's not found. I think the Python 3 will work over there. I think yes. Now we have to activate this. So here we have the source being been activate. So let's go with activation. Okay. Now we have to install our OpenAI. So which I missed. So we have to install this library. Okay. So it's installing. Now we have to go with Flask, OpenAI, and the OpenAI I have done. Now let's install this in one and all. Oh, OpenAI will do such kind of things. Okay, so we will remove this from here and we'll go with this. I think .env and everything I have already. Let's confirm it. How much time it will take to go with that? But the meanwhile, let's create our folder structure. So here we have flash chat app.py, a.env and the templates. Okay, let's create that one meanwhile. So here we go with our code. So I think it's completing, I guess. Yeah, it's completed. Okay, so we have to install this flask python.env. So here we go with this. Okay, let's do the installation and it's done. Okay, now let's create this. So opening the code base like this. Let's close this. Okay, so here we have this our code. Let's create first file, that is app.py. So it should be on the root. So here we go with this. Let's update the code.env file we required. So let's create that one also. So here we have this .env. Then we have a templates. Let's create that one also. Templates. Okay, sorry, it's mistake. Delete it. It should be a folder. And chat.html. Okay, let's generate this new file. Okay, here we have the chat.html. Let's update this code from this to that. Okay, moving to the next, we have an open key here. So let's open API key. So we are going to create that one. So env, let's add this. Okay, now we have this app.py file. So let's add this, not this, only this. Shift right. Let's add this. Where is app.py? Okay, and let's word wrap this. Okay, I think now we have to get the OpenAI API key. Let's how to generate this. We have we don't have the integrations right now. Okay, let's generate that OpenAI API key. Okay, I think everything is there. Just give me 1 minute. So this is the URL key that we have to go with this one. So OpenAI. So let's go and just check this URL. Okay, so let's authentication required. So I'm going to go with login. So I'll use the different account for this. Okay, so here we have the create an API key. Okay, create a new secret key. Let's make it like Rajnikant over here. Default project, yes, and let's create this key. Just copy this key. I'm going to use it over there. Let's have a look for this, and this is our env file. Let's update this with code. This okay. Okay, fine. Now we have to run this project with Python 3. So here we have this Python 3 app.py. Let's check this. What will happen? Okay, let's open this. We have a chat application. What prompt? Tell me about Node.js. You're trying to assess the OpenAI chat app completion, but it's no longer supported in OpenAI. With this, use README with this OpenAI. You can run OpenAI migrate to automatically upgrade your code base to use this. Pip installed OpenAI this. Alternative, you can pin your installation to older version. Example this migration guide. Okay, let me check what exactly they are saying. Here I am facing the issue that is error code 429 that the you exceed your quota. Please check your plan and the billing. For the more information, read the docs for this. Okay, that means insufficient quota for accessing their APIs. I think we have to go with our plan. Like we have to pay for that one. Okay, that's why it's not. But continuing the things, okay, they want add some API credits, add a payment method to buy the credits. Okay, so here we have to 5 token, now 2 million inputs for 5k output tokens, plenty of the start building. So here you can see that we have to add some credits, right? Then the API will give you the response. So the next video I'll add the credits and let's check the code is working or the not. But before, I think we should understand the code also. Okay, or if you want me to understand it in the next video, that would be the better one. Okay, so here you can see that let's take an overview. Might be here you can see that the load the env and get the API key from open API key. Okay, there would be a chat.html file to render, and here we're going to call the API that is ask. Okay, so which model you have to use depends which models are available. Just check the model over here. Messages, role, system content, you are a helpful assistant, so these are the messages. Okay, temperature and the max tokens that we have to use. Then it will give me the response, the answer. Then we are going to render it on our chat.html. Okay, so here you can see that what we have to send message on the send message button. What we're trying to do, we are going to call the API that is ask and bind the response according to the GPT. That's it. Okay, so this is the input for that one and his response, right? So first of all, I'm going to add some credits and let's see what how it gonna be work. So the next video would be the extension of this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to add the credits and let's see it will work or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.